If you want to use an auto clicker on your Android, first of all, we are to install it. Open up your Play Store. Here, open up your search tab, find your search bar, and we gotta search for OP Auto Clicker Auto Tap application. Alright, here it is. Press install, give it a couple seconds to be installed. After that, press open. Press accept. We have to give it permission to display over our apps, right? So choose your installed apps, choose your OP Auto Clicker and press allow. Once again, press allow. Allow it to have its own shortcut. Press allow. Press got it. And here is your auto clicker shortcut. All right, now after that, let's go back to our OP Auto Clicker. So here we have two modes. A single target, it's used when you need to click in one location only, and multi-target allows you to set up clicks in multiple locations simultaneously, which is convenient for various tasks, right? After that, for example, let's choose start multi-targets mode. Let's go back to our home screen, and here we're gonna press on this plus icon to add our target. Let's add like 3 targets. Here they are. Great. So leave them, and once again, you can set the number of repetitions. You can do this in your settings, right? So you can set a number of repetitions, a timing for every repetition, and choose repeat until stopped, or you can choose even that, right? You can give your mark file a name, you can save your settings, and so on and so forth. So to start it, simply press on this green icon and your clicking process starts. If you want to stop it, press on the stop icon, just like this. You can also add swipe gestures by selecting an icon of finger and arrow. So as you see, we just added up some swipe gesture, just like this. And basically that's it. If you want to finish everything, simply press on this cross icon, and now your auto clicker is over. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and have a great day.